Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you valuable insights and inspiration for your home improvement journey. Today, we'll be exploring the world of floor skirting, a crucial element that can completely transform the look and feel of your home. Let's get started. The importance of floor skirting. Floor skirting, or baseboards, serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. They act as a protective barrier between the walls and the flooring, preventing damage from furniture, vacuum cleaners, and other potential sources of impact. Exploring different types of floor skirting. There are various types of floor skirting available, catering to different design preferences and architectural styles. Let's take a closer look at some popular options. Wooden skirting boards. Wooden skirting boards are timeless and versatile. They come in a variety of wood species, finishes, and profiles, allowing you to achieve a classic or contemporary look, depending on your interior design theme. PVC skirting boards. PVC skirting boards are a cost-effective and low-maintenance option. They are resistant to moisture, making them ideal for areas prone to high humidity, such as bathrooms and kitchens. With PVC, you can explore a wide range of colors and textures to complement your space. MDF skirting boards. MDF skirting boards, or medium-density fiberboard, offer a budget-friendly alternative to solid wood. They're easy to install, paint, and maintain. MDF boards come in various profiles, allowing you to create subtle or elaborate designs for your baseboards. Tile skirting. Tile skirting seamlessly integrates with tiled flooring, offering a cohesive and elegant look. You can match the tiles used on your floor or create a contrasting effect to add visual interest. Tile skirting is a popular choice for bathrooms, kitchens, and other tiled areas. Considerations for floor skirting installation. Now that we've explored the various types of floor skirting, let's discuss some essential considerations for their installation. Measuring and cutting. Ensure precise measurements and cuts to achieve a professional-looking installation. Take into account any irregularities in the walls and floors, and use appropriate tools to create seamless joints. Finishing and painting. Properly finish and paint your skirting boards to ensure durability and a polished appearance. Sand the surfaces, apply a suitable primer, and choose a paint color that complements your walls and flooring. That wraps up our exploration of the different types of floor skirting and their transformative potential for your home. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your next home improvement project.